Hey, you know when you delete files from your phone, actually people can still see you right later on.
Huh? Really? Ah?
Oh! Hi, didn't see you there. Was just listening to the new Jabra Elite 85T and they've got an impressive feature list. They've got ANC with a dedicated chip to more efficiently drown out surrounding noise so you can enjoy your music better. They also feature a semi-open design with natural hear-through when you need it. And they'll last up to 25 hours with ANC turned on. But the best part, if you want one of these, you won't even need to buy them because we will be giving one pair away. So just leave a comment on this video to be in the running. More details in the description box below. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna get back to this.
So when you delete your files, unless they have been overwritten, technically, they're still on your drive. So that's something that, is pretty concerning, especially if you are like, not really if you're like me, but if you have things that you need to keep private on your storage or on your drive, yeah, that can be a privacy concern. But in most modern versions of iOS and Android, your files are encrypted by default, so a full factory reset is enough to protect you in most cases. Why are you guys laughing now?
He's laughing already.
No, you are laughing.
I know that two people are laughing as I'm trying. But in most modern versions of iOS and Android, your files are encrypted by default, so a full factory reset is enough to protect you in most cases. Plus, if you encounter like bugs or issues with your phone, factory reset can also help with those, so you might want to try it out too. But the resetting process can be different depending on the make and model or the brand of your phone, so we've compiled a list or a guide of the most popular phone brands and how to do a factory reset on the latest software versions.
First, we'll always advise you to back up your iPhone before performing any kind of reset. You can factory reset your phone via two methods, so one with your computer and one without your computer. It's a lot easier if you do it on the iPhone itself. Head over to your settings, then click on General, then click on Reset and tap Erase All Content and Settings. Then enter your passcode or Apple ID password and wait for the device to factory reset. Or you can just search for Erase All Content and Settings in your Settings app. But if you feel bored and you want to be like very techy, you can also use your computer. If you have a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, open Finder. Or you're on a Windows PC, open iTunes. Then connect your device to your computer and select a device when it appears on your computer. You'll need to sign out of Apple's Find My feature by going to Settings, Your Name, Find Mine, and Find My iPhone, and turn off the feature. Finally, click Restore iPhone and you're good to go.
So this will apply for any phone that runs on MIUI 12. So I think that includes like Redmi, Poco, and Xiaomi themselves. So yeah, this is how you factory reset your MIUI device. All you have to do is to head over to your settings app, go to About Phone, Factory Reset, then click on Erase All Data. Then you'll need to enter in a passcode if you're using one, and then you'll get a pop-up menu. So basically there's a two-stage process over here that takes 10 seconds of enforced waiting time before you can actually reset your phone. I think it's a good move so that you don't accidentally delete anything, although it can be a little bit annoying at times. Or you can just search in your settings app for Factory Reset.
So there are two ways that you can hard reset your Samsung device.
Wait, Nick looks like he's gonna kill somebody's cat.
You have to tell me, thank you so much. Nobody tells me this, I always see this later.
First, head over to Settings, then click on General Management, then click on Reset, then click on Factory Data Reset. Then tap Reset and Delete All. If it doesn't work or your phone is like hangry or something, you can use the buttons on your phone to do a hard reset. First, turn off your phone. Then press and hold the power or Bixby key and volume up key. When the Android mascot appears, release the keys. The Android System Recovery menu will appear, and then use the volume down key to select Wipe Data or Factory Reset and press the power or Bixby key to proceed. Select Yes, and once the factory reset completes, select Reboot System Now. You can also search for Factory Data Reset in your Settings app.
Alright, now we're moving on to Oppo devices. To factory reset your Oppo phone on ColorOS 11, go to Settings, then head to Additional Settings, Backup and Reset, and then click on Reset to Factory Settings. Then you'll see that there are 5 options for you to choose from, but if you want to completely wipe your data from your phone, make sure you click on Clear All Data. Again, you can just search for Reset to Factory Settings within your Oppo Settings app, and that'll be an easier way to get there. It's also a really similar experience on Realme phones since it is based on ColorOS. So just repeat this process, but this time click on Erase All Data, and then you're good to go.
Last but not least, of course, we are going to talk about how to reset your Huawei and also Honor devices. On Huawei, all you need to do is to go to your settings, click on System, then click on Reset and Reset Phone. If you own an Honor smartphone, it's also pretty straightforward. Open Settings, go to your System, Reset and then Reset Phone. This will delete all the data from your phone, including your photos, system settings and basically everything that's in your phone. And as usual, you can search for Reset Phone on your Settings app.
So yeah, I think a lot of this is down to you being scared that people will still find your files after you deleted them, right? So, you know, it's the same thing from computers. Basically, if you delete a file, it doesn't really go away. It doesn't like just disappear. It's still there, right? It's just not accessible to you by your computer like as a user, but it's still there until it's actually overwritten.
Okay,
you know what I mean?
Okay, so how do people get your information if you've deleted that?
As I said, nowadays the files are encrypted, so it's like even if they get them, it'll be difficult to decrypt them. But people there are like services that can do it out there. So if let's say you're on like Windows, they actually have a built-in function to make sure that you delete it like for good.
Okay.
It takes you like hours to delete. I usually don't, to be honest. So you know, I'm not really the most. I have nothing to hide. I have nothing to hide. I have nothing to hide. Basically,
unless you're a famous person.
Not on my work computer, that is. But yeah. So, anyways, it's important nowadays because I think. Do you use your phone to do like banking and stuff like that?
Yes.
Right?
Always.
Yeah, yeah. Banking. There is Pak Tor. There is banking. There is. Not for me. I just got engaged, so no more. So no more. I should say this. Yeah, so on the Mac there is also like a way to do it as well through the Disk Utility app. You use a Mac, are you familiar with this?
No.
There is lah.
I don't even know that if you like delete a certain app, then your files are still in your computer.
Yeah, but again nowadays, at least on mobile platforms like iOS and Android, they're all like encrypted, so you should be reasonably safe with just a factory reset, but you should always factory reset your phone. I think some people don't do it, so if you plan to sell your phone, if you plan to lend your phone to somebody else, if you plan to... That's all basically, you know. You should always just make sure that all your data is gone because nowadays it's a dangerous world, you know. I think that's it.
Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. So as usual, remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!